What global trends are accelerating? Price Waterhouse did an excellent study on mobility. So let's look at it. You can see that here in 1970 to 1990, most of the expatriations took place from the States, from New York to China, from California to Europe to Paris. But most US was sending their leaders abroad. So let's look at the next. Here we see that from 1990 to 1920, now you see more arrows going in both directions. And what's it today? This. So what does this mean for all of us? If you're a talent, most probably in your career, you'll have an expatriation. What does it mean as a CEO? As a CEO, you most probably will have providers, or you will service people from abroad. And then you can say, well, I'm Mexican, I work in Mexico, and I sell products to Mexicans, right? Well, guess what? Most probably, you'll have a colleague or a boss. They'll be Chinese, they'll be Russian, they'll be Japanese. So even if you don't move, you will most probably have this cultural diversity tomorrow.